Hi, friends. Our story for this week is Hen Hears Gossip. A couple of things I want to point out is the illustrations in the story. They're not photographs, they are artwork created by the illustrator. And in this story, there are talking animals. So, those are a couple clues that let me know we're going to be reading a fiction story that has made up characters and events. Another skill that we're going to be practicing as we read through the story this week is cause and effect. So, cause and effect is something we have talked about before. An example would be the cause is it's raining outside, and that affected me. I got wet. So, the cause is the rain, and the effect is I get wet outside, or I might need to use an umbrella. That could be another effect. Okay, so we'll be pointing out and discussing some of the causes and effects throughout the story too. Hen was scratching for bugs in the barnyard by the fence. Psst, psst, psst. Pig whispered something to Cow. Gossip! Hen loved gossip. So what are in the story the characters that we know so far? Take a second and think about it. Yeah, good ideas. We have a cow, we have a pig, and we have hen. Those are the characters that we have so far. Hen put her ear up to the fence. Psst, psst, psst. Cow whispered something to Pig. Hen could not wait to tell her friends. Okay, so we have some cause and effect going on here. Why did Hen put her ear up to the fence? Yeah, because we read on the last page that she loves gossip. So because she loves gossip, that effect is that she's putting her ear up to the fence. She wants to hear what they're saying. Hen ran to tell Duck. Duck, Duck, Sadie the dog has a thorn. What? Said Duck. Duck ran to tell Goose. Goose, Goose, Daisy the cat grew a horn. What? Said Goose. Do you notice how each time the different characters tell the gossip, it changes a little bit? Goose ran to tell Turkey. Turkey, Turkey, the crazy bat raced a storm. What? Said Turkey. Turkey ran to tell Hen. Hen, Hen, you're lazy fat and ate all the corn. What? Cried Hen. I did not eat all the corn. So Hen and Turkey went to look in the barn. The corn was not eaten, and the corn was in the crib. So we have some more cause and effect going on. Why did Turkey and Hen go into the barn? Okay. Yeah, because they were checking to see, they were told that the corn was all eaten, so that was the cause, and the effect was they were going to go into the barn and check. Okay. Goose, Goose, said Turkey. Why did you say Hen was lazy, fat, and ate all the corn? I didn't say that. I said the crazy bat raced a storm. Hen and Turkey and Goose looked up into the sky. The sun was shining, not a cloud in sight or a bat. Duck, Duck, said Goose. Why did you say the crazy bat raced a storm? I didn't say that. I said Daisy the cat grew a horn. Hen and Turkey, Goose, and Duck went to look for the cat. Daisy had 2 pointy ears and 2 green eyes, but no horn. Okay, cause and effect. Why did Hen and Turkey, Goose, and Duck go to look for the cat? Yeah, because they thought that she had a horn. Okay, so one of the rumors and the gossip that they heard was that cat had a horn, and so that caused them to go look for cat. Hen, Hen, said Duck. Why did you say Daisy the cat grew a horn? I didn't say that. I said Sadie the dog had a horn. Hen and turkey, goose and duck went to look for Sadie. Sadie did not have an itch or a scratch. Sadie was not in the blackberry patch. Sadie was on the porch snoring. Hen ran to find Cow. Cow, Cow, said Hen. Why did you tell Pig that Sadie the dog had a thorn? I didn't say that. I said my baby calf was born. A new baby cow? Wow! Hen called to others. A baby calf was born. A fraidy cat was born, asked Duck. A lazy rat was born, asked Goose. A lady yak was born, asked Turkey. Thinking about the details in the story. So, can we tell that the animals are listening to Hen? No, they're not. And some of the details are in the story is that so Hen says a baby calf was born, and then all the other animals repeat her incorrectly. They say the wrong thing. So we know that they are not listening to her. No, no, said Hen. Not a lady yak, not a lazy rat, not a fraidy cat. A baby calf was born. A baby calf, said the three. Yippee! Let's go see. Hen and turkey and goose and duck went to see the new baby. Ah, said Goose. Oh, said Turkey. Kitchy, kitchy, coo, said Duck. Moo, said Hen. So that's the end of our story. Why do you think the author wrote this fiction story for us? Maybe to just entertain us and tell us a funny story about different animals on the farm and what could happen if you're listening to gossip and spreading gossip to your friends. All right. Well, that's it for now. Bye, friends. Thank you.